Let's learn some French. Jean-Luc Mélenchon défend Huguette Bollot pour Matignon et appelle la gauche à faire vite. The most important word here is Mélenchon. Jean-Luc Mélenchon is the leader of La France Insoumise. It is the French far-left party. Think of him as the Bernie Sanders of France. Jean-Luc Mélenchon défend Huguette Bollot pour Matignon. So he's defending or rallying behind, might be a better translation, this woman named Huguette Bollot pour Matignon. That's not quite important yet. Et appelle la gauche à faire vite. That means appeler is to call. In this case, it's probably call upon. So who is he calling? Appelle la gauche. Gauche is the left political parties in France. Et appelle la gauche à faire vite. So he's calling upon the left political parties to get behind her and get behind her quick. Jean-Luc Mélenchon défend Huguette Bollot pour Matignon et appelle la gauche à faire vite. Have a great day.